Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to get separate settings for each app in any Android smartphones or tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android home screen. So firstly what you need to do is just open the Play Store, and in the Play Store just search for one application named as Power App. Just search this application. You will see a tons of applications. Just scroll down. Now you will see here Power App by Omega Sensoria software. Just tap on it and just tap on install. So once the installation is done, just tap on open. On opening, it will ask you some permission. Just click on continue, click on OK, click on OK again, click on OK. So it will automatically show you the complete list of all the application that is being installed on your respective Android smartphones or tablets. So on the above you will see some tabs. The first tab is the on and off, so you can turn on to enable this application, and there is a second tab, what to control. So you can see here there are some options you can select. Some may require a root access and some will work without a root also. So you can change the font size, which works in both root and unrooted, and the second, third and fourth requires a root, and fourth, fifth and sixth will work in both the rooted and non-rooted. So I will just select the last three options and say I want to change some settings of this Amazon application. So what I will do, I'll just tap on it, and now you can see here you will get our option orientation look, and you can just tap on it. You can select different orientations here. You can customize depending upon your needs. When you get a screen timeout, you can set a screen timeout, and even you can set a respective volume for the different applications. So which applications you want to customize, you can do one by one just by tapping on it, and you can select your respective settings options. So using these applications you can get separate settings for each app in any Android smartphones or tablets very easily. So if you never known about this cool application which will let you get separate settings for each app in Android smartphones or tablets, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.